clear, cold with lows around 14. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, becoming southwest after midnight. Saturday, sunny. Not as cool, highs in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Saturday night and Sunday, clear, breezy. Lows in the upper 20s. Highs in the lower 70s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Monday, mostly sunny and windy, cooler with highs in the lower 60s. Monday night and Tuesday, clear. Lows in the upper 20s. Highs in the lower 70s. Tuesday night and Wednesday, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Highs in the upper 70s. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandles. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight. Accumulating snow is expected to develop and spread across the area from the northwest to the southeast tonight. A winter weather advisory is in effect for all of the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandles beginning at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. And now the outlook for days 2 through 7, Friday through Wednesday. Accumulating snow is forecast to continue Friday morning across all of the area. Total snowfall accumulations of around 1 to 3 inches are anticipated, with locally higher amounts to around 4 inches possible in the far western Oklahoma and far northwestern Texas Panhandle. A winter weather advisory is in effect until noon Central Standard Time Friday for all of the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandles. Elevated to critical fire weather conditions are possible Sunday through Wednesday across most of the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandles due to breezy winds and low relative humidity values. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not anticipated at this time. Area fire managers and emergency officials should be alert for elevated or critical fire weather conditions Sunday through Tuesday. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Friday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 1 and 3 inches are anticipated, with locally higher amounts to near 4 inches possible in the far western Oklahoma and far northwestern Texas Panhandles. Where? The entirety of the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandles. When? From 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday evening and Friday morning commutes. Slow down and use caution while traveling. In Oklahoma, call 844-465-4997 for road information. In Texas, call 800-452-9292 for road information. The 8 p.m. area weather roundup. At Rick Husband International Airport in Amarillo, cloudy. Temperature 21 degrees, dew point 12, and the relative humidity 68%. Winds north at 17 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 7. The pressure 30.06 inches and rising. Elsewhere in the Panhandles, at Amarillo 15 north and northwest, temperature 20 degrees. A north wind at 16 miles an hour. Amarillo 9 north and northeast, 20 degrees. Wind north at 16 miles an hour. Amarillo 7 south-southeast, 21 degrees. Wind north at 16 miles an hour. Bootleg 11 west-northwest near the state line, temperature 21 degrees. Wind northeast at 16 miles an hour. Borger, cloudy. Temperature was 23 degrees. Boys Ranch, temperature 22 degrees. Canadian, cloudy. 22 degrees. A north wind at 17 miles an hour, gusting to 24. Childress, clear. 29 degrees. Wind north at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 29. In Clarendon, 23 degrees. Wind north at 16 miles an hour. At Clog 12 southwest, temperature 22 degrees. Wind north at 18 miles an hour. Dale Hart, cloudy. 19 degrees. Northeast wind at 17 miles an hour. Dumas, cloudy. 18 degrees. At good night, temperature was 22 degrees. Wind was north at 17 miles an hour. Guyman, cloudy. 21 degrees. Hereford, clear. 23 degrees. Northeast wind at 16 miles an hour. In McLean, temperature was 21 degrees. Wind north at 17 miles an hour. At the bottom of Palo Duro Canyon State Park, 26 degrees. Pampa, cloudy. 22 degrees. At Panhandle, temperature 20 degrees. Wind north at 17 miles an hour. Perryton, cloudy. 19 degrees. North wind at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 22. Unlarger, 21 degrees. Wind was northeast at 21 miles an hour. In the surrounding areas, Plainview, clear. Temperature 27 degrees. Northeast wind at 17 miles an hour, gusting to 25. Lubbock, clear. 34 degrees. Midland, clear. 55 degrees. Dallas-Fort Worth, clear. 58 degrees. Elk City, cloudy. 26 degrees. Oklahoma City, partly cloudy. Temperature 29 degrees. Tucumcari, partly cloudy. 27 degrees. Albuquerque, cloudy. 43 degrees. Dodge City, cloudy. 17 degrees. Denver, partly cloudy. 11 degrees. Once again, in Amarillo, cloudy. The temperature 21 degrees. The current time is 8:47 p.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio WXK38, the voice of the National Weather Service in the Texas Panhandle. This station operates on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz from the National Weather Service office in Amarillo, Texas. As a service to the public, KVII provides transmitter space on their television tower. WXK38 broadcasts 24 hours a day with regional weather conditions, public forecasts, and daily climate summaries. Special statements, warnings, and short-term forecasts are also broadcast as conditions warrant. During periods of severe weather, regular programming may be suspended in order to provide you with timely hazardous weather information. For comments on NOAA Weather Radio, please call your National Weather Service office at 806-335-1121 or visit our website at www.weather.gov/Amarillo. Here is the 7-day forecast for Amarillo and surrounding areas